Okay, so this is the second find of the day. It was half price day at the estate sale. And as you know, I'm a believer in these Swiss Tack little contraptions here. So I gave $3 for this guy. And I love these things. They are robust. Well made, compact pieces of equipment. So you get a little plier, and you get a stripper cutter, wire stripper cutter. Get the Phillips, and you get a flathead. And I think there's one other thing on here. I mean, basically it's, dual purpose here. You get kind of a pincher and then a vise type thing here. Yeah, anytime I find these Swiss Tack, they're in my basket as soon as I see them. So like I say, it was half price day at the estate sale. Okay, $3 for it. I think it's well worth it. Well worth it.